Toilet time for girls. I'm a big girl now. Babies wear diapers. Diapers are wet and smelly. Ew, Papa. Ew. But look at me, I'm a big girl. I can wear underwear. This is my big toilet for big girls. Yep. I can pull down my underwear all by myself. I like to sit on the toilet. I like to do wheeze and poos in the toilet too. Yay! Clean. When I have finished, I wipe my bottom with the toilet paper. It is fun to flush the button. The water goes whoosh. After I use the toilet, I wash my hands. I can wash them all by myself. I like being a big girl. I like to wear underwear. Yay! Are you a big girl too? The end.